Jotboard is a web-based mind mapping tool that you can simply go ahead and access by going to jotboard.com. So once you go around over here, this is what you have. And then in order to access it, if you already have an account, you can click on login, or if you're new to this, you can simply go ahead and click on sign up. Once you do that, you can enter out your email and password, or you can just sign up with your Google account as well, which is what we are going to do. So once we go ahead and do that and choose our Google account, let's say for example right here, just like this, and then hit continue, then what happens is that our account will be registered. So it has been signed up. So now I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and I'm signing in using my Google account. And now you can see that I have my account ready right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and sign out, I can simply go around over here on to jotboard.com, and I can go ahead and click on login now and simply sign in with Google, and I will be signed in as I choose my account. So like I said, alternatively, you can actually also go ahead and sign in with your email as well. So as I do this right here, just like this, so let's just go ahead and sign in with the email. So you can see that it signs in. So there seems to be a glitch right there, but you can see that ultimately it works out just like this. So this is what you have, and this is simply how you can go ahead and access our Jotform. And in this tutorial series, we're going to go ahead and see how we can use Jotform to mind map our ideas and collaborate with others easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.